Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 C10. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Move any liners, lines, and power harnesses from the work area. Begin by cutting or torching off the 6 rivets retaining your leaf spring mount. The 2 rivets retaining the rear crossmember, and on the driver's side only, the 2 rivets retaining the exhaust hanger. Followed by lifting your vehicle to separate the leaf spring from the frame. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 3. Push the part onto the frame while using the frame and hardware holes to help with alignment. Lower the vehicle so that the leaf spring reaches the frame. Attempt to slide the hardware into the former rivet holes. Step 4. Begin welding the part to the frame along all edges. For the driver's side, hold the shock clearance plate up to the frame and tack weld it into place. We recommend inserting a bolt or similar through the frame and plate to ensure proper alignment. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. And you're done.